Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can clean up space in local disk C drive. So here you can see my C drive is almost full. So we are going to make some space for our C drive. So for it, the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to your recycle bin and then you need to select all the files and folder from here. You can simply do it by clicking Ctrl A. It will select all the files and folder from here. Just right click here, then click here delete, then click here yes, you want to delete it permanently, and this will save some space from your C drive. And it will take some time depending on the file size. And there you can see it is done. So when it is complete, you can just close your recycle bin. After that, you need to go to your Windows search option and here you need to search for disk cleanup. So here you can see disk cleanup. Click here and then you need to choose your C drive. So here you will see a lot of drives. So we are going to choose C drive, then click on OK. And it will show you something like this. And here you need to select download file program, temporary internet files, then click here recycle bins, then temporary file as well. And also choose the thumbnails. And after those, here you can see clean up system files. Click here, click on OK, and it will calculate. And once the calculation is complete, you need to click on OK. And here you can see delete files. Click here delete files. And there you can see cleaning up drive. And it will take a few seconds to few minutes depending on how many files it is deleting. And it is done. After that, you need to go to your Windows search option. Then right over here run. Here you can see run. Click on it. Then you need to write here percentage temp percentage. Then click on OK. And it will show some temporary file over here. So you need to select all of those, right click, then click on delete. And if something like this pop up, click here and click on skip. Then you can close this. Then our fourth step is we need to go to our setting. And in the setting, we're going to search for storage. Click here storage setting. And it will check all the files and folder and software and show you the size. So over here you can see temporary file. This one you can delete without any worry. So I'll just right click here. Then here you can see it's selected by default something. So let's just select the recycle bin here as well. Then click here, remove files, then click on continue. And it will start deleting some files and folder from here. And it may take some time. And it's done. Now we can close this. Then we'll go to our C drive. Here you can see C drive. Then we'll go to our Windows. Then we'll go down and we'll look for software distribution. Here you can see. So let's go inside this folder and we can delete those data without any worry because those are not necessary. So we'll just delete those. Just click here, do this for all items, then click on skip. And it will be done. So we can close this. Then our sixth step will be we need to go to the setting. Then we need to go to our apps. Then click on install apps. And from here, just select here large to small. And it will show you the software size along with the software. And you should delete the software that you do not use. So for my case, let's say I do not use Node.js, so I can just uninstall this. So I'm just going to right click here, then click on uninstall, then click here uninstall again. And there you can see it will uninstall this program and it may ask for a permission. If it asks for a permission, just say yes. And there you can see it is done. It is uninstalled. After that, we can close this and our seventh step and the last step is we need to go to our search option right over here CMD and here you can see command prompt. Do not click here run as administrator. Then here we need to write a command and the command is power cfg -h off. Then press enter. And it will delete some hibernation file from your system and sometime it may be from 2 GB to up to 10 GB. So we can close this and let me just go to our setting again. And here we're going to search for storage setting again. And from here you can see storage cells. I forgot to mention it. You should turn this on. So what it will do is that it will delete unnecessary files from your system automatically. Okay. So yeah, those are the way to free up space from your local disk C drive. I hope this was useful. If you have any question or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.